Good day, everyone, and sir. I am Verla Njikugtas, and I am the second speaker in this webinar. My discussion will focus on how digital literacy is connected to other literacies and to further discuss how digital literacy is impactful and connected to our modern age. First, let us discuss how digital literacy is connected to multicultural literacy. So, digital literacy equips young people to navigate the online world and participate in the global digital culture, enriching their understanding of different cultures. And this is very impactful to people as the problems of discrimination, xenophobia, and other isolating experience can be avoided with enough awareness of different cultures. Next is social literacy. Digital literacy equips us with the skills we need to be responsible and positive participants in the social landscape of the internet. And as the new era of communication risen in the cyberspace, more and more people socialize in the internet, so having the skill of the digital space can help people socialize in the cyberspace more effectively and more safely. Next is how it is connected to media literacy. So, media literacy and digital literacies are two sides of the same coin. They work together to empower people to be smart and critical consumers of information in the digital age. Together, these skills allow people to make informed decisions about what information to consume and how to interpret it, and decide how people will do in the cyberspace, what news to be informed, and what news to be shared. Next is its connection to financial literacy. Digital literacy provides a foundation for using financial technology effectively and avoiding online financial pitfalls. As financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, in today's world, many financial services are offered digitally through online banking, budgeting apps, and investment platforms. Digital literacy equips people with the skills to navigate these tools effectively and securely. Next, it's its connection to ecological literacy. The connection between digital literacy and ecological literacy is less direct than the connection of digital literacies to other literacies, but it's still important, as digital literacy provides the skill to be informed and a responsible digital citizen when it comes to ecology. One can critically evaluate online information, understand environmental impacts of technology, and using digital tools for advocacy and finding solutions. Digital literacy can support ecological literacy in the context of cyberspace, spreading awareness to people that might even be in other side of the earth. Last is its connection to arts and creative literacy. Digital literacy and arts and creative literacy intertwine in several ways, empowering people to be a more expressive and informed participant in the digital world. Digital literacy empowers people not only to consume and appreciate art in the digital age, but also to become a creator themselves. It equips them with the tools to express themselves creatively, navigate the online world, and engage with the ever-evolving landscape of digital art. Understanding digital literacy's connection to other literacies is crucial because it empowers us to navigate the complex digital world effectively. By understanding how digital literacy interacts with other forms of literacy, we can become more effective learners, responsible creators, and informed consumers in the vast digital space. That's all from my part. Thank you so much.